Hey, what's going guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be telling you guys something that you have never heard of before, which is to create completely procedural mountains or any landscape for that matter inside of Blender within a minute. And I will also show a example on the screen right now so you can get an idea of what type of quality I'm talking about and how great results we can achieve using this simple method. And I've searched on YouTube and no one else has talked about this yet. I'm surprised how anyone else hasn't talked about it yet. And by procedural, I mean procedural. Like you can change the resolution of it, you can change the seed of it, you can just change the looks of it. By looks, I mean the height, the scale, you get the point. There's like endless possibilities with this method. So let's just get right into it. So the third method is using the ocean modifier. Now don't click off. Ocean modifier is really great for creating oceans as well as creating very procedural and very great looking mountains or any landscape for that matter. So let me just showcase what I'm talking about. So here I've created a general prototype or a general example of what you would expect to create a landscape using the ocean modifier. As you can see, this just look amazing, and if you just view it from a specific angle, as you can see, you can already see the endless possibilities. For example, a river going from over here, the main scene, the main character over here, some houses or some landscapes over here. As you can see, I've already composited a whole scene just using this example, and you can change everything for it. For example, if I just change the resolution to around 10, as you can see here, it is very low poly. You can even use it for games now. And if I just slap an amazing looking material onto it, as you can see, it just gives us an amazing and a very convincing looking result. So we can even play with the seeds, as you can see here, and any seed I am going through, they all just look amazing, as you can see here, and they look very natural, and they can just fit into, I would say, in any scene for that matter. For example, if we just want to make a landscape instead of mountains, we can just increase the size of it to, I would say, 0.7. So it is much more flatter and seems like a much more rough landscape and hills rather than mountains. I would say we can even increase it to 1, and as you can see here, just you can see the results for yourself and how quickly we just got the result. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it, and this was a quick tip, a quick way to create procedural mountains. Again, I'm surprised that no one has talked about this yet. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video, and I will catch you around later. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll meet in the next one. See ya.